Rumuchomano Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, Nechingongo chindi Chinsa ya Kenya. Abariki batomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'ubukirano. Emanya mange nabo igubwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Tomo chago tengere merobreito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kira rituko. Nabariki baitu beandrete chinga kichons. Asengencho yao. Eariganie asobo tengari botari no mubwekano. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Manjito mugeria bwita sengen Ensoko TV nigoriraria bale na wika Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugaso chingakitwa kwarigereria Amayia asentra yuwenge karansoike ryonyore gatiali twa kwarigererie onyore ngomtanda ito Facebook na bago YouTube na otonyore mwasobono onyare gukwemanya egatinali na kwarigereria mesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere una butambe nchenda yana ndemo. Manjito murigeria togo chaka bene nigo muraiwe Nsomoske William Samoei Ruto litukwalia lera bekirese yebango ya mabuta eyo abaga kubekese ya senyumba yobora ya State House asatebire buna nigo ebange ywera kora mautira kore emeremo asamatuko emerongo kianda mbakali tukoliria serikali yensi ya Kenya hera nyarige kuyarigania nabegogo konyora chencherera nyarige kolentera aba Kenya mabuta aserigoria ligia.
Excellency, this bill follows a dispatch that came from the National Treasury dated 10th of April, which advised that His Excellency the President request the National Assembly to amend Cap 476 of the VAT Act so as to cushion Kenyans from the possible effect of the rising in petroleum products, Your Excellency, rising costs of petroleum and petroleum products, Your Excellency. The bill, Your Excellency, was introduced the 17th, Your Excellency. The bill was introduced and passed in a record time yesterday on 16th, Your Excellency, in all stages, first reading, second reading, Committee of the Whole House, and third reading. In a nutshell, Your Excellency, this bill amends Section 6 of the VAT Act. Currently, Section 6 of the VAT Act permits the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury to vary VAT by a percentage not higher than 25%. That's the standard VAT, which is currently set by law at 16%.
Your Excellency will open and display a ceremonial copy of the Act, while all the other members display an encased closed copy of the Act. This marks the end of this state ceremony this morning. I thank you, Your Excellency.
Nabego manchito murigeria ritko rya rero nige komiti ya senate ya tarire nyagitari nabige gati chinyagitari ya se county ya Nandi asabanyora bunanigo chinyagitari chinyinge kirase birongo bense tabwati amachama ya y'abanyagitari bagutumeka gusagutumika sinyagitari naboigo amariogo asaboigo batebo bochanu nigo bolense sano manchito murigeria gati ya barayabo nigo barauno mo senate bwe county yo Samson Jerage oyo tebire bunenyagitari yo nigani digokorwa asobwango muno iribanya baroire barasi yona boigo kubwatoka abakorera ubuye bucyasaba 90 bechinsemecho
na Metete tumeona iko changamoto kiasi ambayo inahitaji serikali ya county kwa kiwango ya CC na chief officer waitilie maanani, na hii ni ripoti tutapatia governor ili aweze kukaza watu wake waweze kufanya. Pale tumeona tuna changamoto ya mambo ya madawa, tuna mambo ya chanjo ya watoto, na tuna changamoto ya mambo ya maintenance kwa hiyo hospitali ya sub county ya Metete.
We must ensure there is a steady supply of drugs. Tumefika kwa hospitali, tumepata vitu mingi zimeletwa usiku. Mimi mwenyewe nilikuwa chairman, nilikuwa hapa saa 6 hii town, saa 7 usiku, nikapata ya kwamba walikuwa wanashukisha madawa na zile mablankets na zile, na tumepata zingine zikionekana. So what I want to encourage the county to do is do the right thing before we come.
I want to plead with them that we need to have a lot of sympathy for our poor people. We are treating our poor people badly, and yet they don't deserve that. Some of the officers are working very hard. They're doing an excellent job. Those who are not, I just want to persuade them. These are our brothers, cousins, mothers, and aunties and uncles. When our hospital is well, then the county is well.
Hali ya afya si kuzuri. Ukikuta kule Metete kuna shida. Ukikuja kule Nandi Hills, they are suffering the same problem. Na vile vile hapa Kapsabet pia, hapa referral hospital yenu kuna mashida mbalimbali, kuna congestion, kuna usafi, hali ya usafi iko chini sana. Kwanza aswa hapo hospitali ya county referral kuna msongamano, watu wamekusanyika kule ndani. So mimi tu ningewaomba county yetu ya Nandi waweze kushughulikia na kujenga ile mawadi nyingine ili kuweza kupunguza idadi ya watu ambao wamejumuisha pamoja kwa wadi moja.
Nabaigo abasai kuroba machoge basabiro mu machoge kwegwali bagali yo komochoro murayi batagite hasobo chori wo mwaka ogocha.
Twakane mtuna machoge andito igwana ni gochi ko support tole kilia bibuli baito ba ngabanjira nanka gali na intu abatore na rubi ga diaspora twanjira ni kwa kurboniga paka kogenda gochi mutu umuntu to gochi ko support numo machoge ntori gochi kuanja kirogo gego chikwegu ekirogo kitari gocho twabere kirenga kintu tokwegu ati twegu ebiroko biko ba point mwa roche koru oyo ndarenge mangi arenge deputy governor kenike rogo yetu arengo pakare gusekerwa bisa sai twachire nyari bari muna mona korere koru sibwekero bono into round ye twara muna into mune vijana ndo support bari gusi twanchire ne burana ki bari bago chiko ikaransa sekero kya Jubilee onde bwensi yo chikoborio bo governor oso koborio bo senator oso koborio bo women le ase biroge bitu abere ntuto ko sierukire nga kintu anya ko egukende kionse asboni ga ntubwato mo governor kurukumacho nero ko chikobe governor ya Kisii county abantu abange banchira ne nere lakini ndori ko chikwancha kobe deputy yae around ye tutagete ko chikoba na ntuto tetekero ko gito kirige ko choru
ntubuna abagusi tole Nairobi aba machoge babura buna aba machoge bachache bali tore gaiga tuachira motogo tebanga ntuntori go dispute ebo presidency your candidate ba Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Fred Okengo Matiang'i na ratobugate une presidency yeito Dr. Okengo Matiang'i na hata getenere abantu baye bakumosiga kurunse ntobugate account government ya Kisii na Nyamira lakini mono itogokwanira yori account government ya Kisii unabono ekaroto korigereri side ya Jubilee party ntobugate mheshimiwa Machogu ntobugate mheshimiwa Onyonka ntobugate n'abayisimiwa bande akina Orosa akina Bridget bakoligi ebirogo bya county government bono intu n'aba machoge babura buna abachache na intu ntotagete ekirogo kere erective yakagara twabera matuka mange intu ase chinyombe gichinde nturigo twara kirogo kere erective
Nabaigo mukonyi bw'ikiama gya Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni nigatebire buna ekirogo kyo mubunge asense muse constituency ya Orikalau nigo kirachikoba kurwase umurwaniri bw'ikirogo ekikorwase kiama gya Jubilee asatebire none kiama gya DCP ne byama bine kurwa United Opposition banyale bakobali baga kigana nigo byariganitie kocha kwene kyabunango cyabali buna ababwe.
Sisi kama wanajubilee tuko tayari kiti cha kwa sababu imekuwa sasa desturi ya United Opposition. Wale ambao walikuwako kule katika kiti chochote iwe ni MCA ama ni ya ubunge, senator ama ile ingine, imekuwa walikubaliana ya kwamba the party that was holding that seat continues defending that seat. All Karao tutakuwako kama Jubilee, na kwa sababu sisi wote tuko katika United Opposition na tumekuwa tukiambia wa Kenya ya kwamba tutafanya kazi pamoja kuondoa serikali iliyoko, bas Olkarao itakuwa dhihirisho ya kwamba tunafanya kazi pamoja, ama wengine wamekuwa werevu kuliko wale wengine. Being part of the United Opposition, we then know that the seat that was left by the late Keraho, ya Olkarao constituency, it belongs to Jubilee, and we in Jubilee have started preparing ourselves for that by-election. We want to deliver the seat on behalf of the opposition because we want to ensure that what Keraho was doing, what the party was doing, continue being done until the end of the term. And since we have already set precedents elsewhere, I do not see how different it can be here at Olkarao. Kwa mambo ya IBC, kwa sababu wanaendelea, what we had in Ibere is that people from other constituencies went and took part, some even voting in Ibere while they were not registered members of Ibere constituency. We don't want that repeated here.
Manjito murigeria togosuka mutwe nigo mubunge oimbakasi East Babo Wino amochirie abarai batenete obolindi mensi ya Kenya asatebire buna nigo banyorirwe kwenekia buna ko bwatabare gosekobe kabyara bari banyarete bakomochera omoseneta bwe county ya Vihiga Godfrey Ososi niga yakwanita ya sebunge asatebire hobonengi bogendere nabigo baineki buna bari banyarete bakomochera kubeko bari byara centra ya bwango.
Very much on this issue, Mr. Speaker. I want to tell the chair that there is no arrest that has been made by the police, as I concur with Honorable Karoli's sentiments, that these accused persons presented themselves to the police station The 17 who are there, 14 are still at large. And Mr. Speaker, the PS that is purporting to have written that statement telling us where we are so far with the investigations, Mr. Speaker, I want to tell you that you cannot give a hyena a proposal to write on how to keep the goats. It will instead write on how to eat the goats. The PS, Raymond Omolo, is vicariously liable for the attack of Senator Osotsi. Therefore, Chairman, arrest must be made. This PS should not treat us with these mere statements of puff and innuendos, and we will not tolerate this. Goons must be finished once and for all in this country. Thank you. And we are going to Kisumu on 26th. We want to meet.
Nabaigo abanyanyimbo be county ya Nairobi basangiririe bintu byabete bikoibwa kurwa saba menye be county ya Nairobi gati ebinte byo banyorete negisimi nekigali necwe nabaigo tokomayigwa ganchi pigipigi cyestima nebintu binde binge asibabolira abantu bali banyarite bagosiria ebintu byaba senchiro bututukano wekerana Chinsa kiria banyare bakonyora ibintu byabo machito murigeria nechinga obunengi bagende tokora se county ya Nairobi igoro yobotumiki bwa mariogo yogotinda negati ebite binge kolene nigaba menye beseme ibaboliwe kwene kyabuna wekerana bale banyare bakurigeria ibintu byabo biri banyarite bigosira.
As a result of these operations, we have successfully recovered significant number of mobile phones, that is 538 mobile phones, which were stolen or robbed or snatched within the city of Nairobi, all corners of Nairobi. That was stolen from members of the public, either in the CBD or the surroundings. We have arrested several suspects who are before court, and others who are still in custody. The latest ones, we are still processing them, and they will go to court. We are working closely with mobile service providers, investigative units, to trace and reunite recovered devices with the rightful owners, In addition to that, we were able to recover 24 laptops, 1 TV, there are 20 electric chargers, these motorcycle electric chargers. One cost 20,000 shillings. So we have recovered 20, which was either robbed or stolen. We have also 24 boxes for repackaging the telephone. You know, when they steal one mobile, then they repackage it to look new again, so that it has a resale value. So we're also dealing with the receivers. We have arrested a number of receivers, and we have charged them before court. Or they use homemade. If you see this toy, like this one, here, we recovered from a cyclist, and he was robbing people mobile phones within the area of South Sea, and others in areas of Pangani, South B. So we have arrested several of them.
Igongo manchito morigeria nye ebinto byago bisirete buna chichacha chiri chigo chachi chiti tawatubanywa nga chipigipigi chiestima nabo wikina na Chinsa chiria cha integrity unyare gukora guse ebinto byago mbitokoro nabo go chisimi agimona abantu bali bamete asomo chyo Nairobi kore no manchito morigeria no kutora magia Chinsa Isano na Ibere bagenda gucengera emero bitumita seni ya Soko TV nabo barasubo magusibu na butambe unyore ngo tunyora so mtandao Facebook nabo YouTube iri kwanyara ko gusanga nabo kwimanya egati yali tuko kwariganira sita sengi tu ya Soko TV Uncle Jay nabo igo zaki Kenya byamono sana asoko eneke abuna Mario gire chibicha kwikiraro morigeri YouTube na butambe tena na ndemo tumera nande ankyo kosiri tukunya sara